Hello everyone, this is Morgan from Zhejiang Shanghai International Sales Department, and today I want to introduce our new arrival items for you. We can see there is a 7 pieces dining set, 1 pieces table and 6 pieces chair. And first I want to show you the stability function of our table. We can see I'm hanging this table and it's very stable, so it's very suited for use in outdoor. And next I want to show you the waterproof function of our fabric, and we can see I'm pouring this water in this fabric. Yes, we can see it will be quick dry, so this is very suited for outdoor to use. If you like our products, you can leave a message, and don't forget to give us a like below the video. I will see you soon. Bye.